Just stepping outside from the Center for Social Innovation in the Annex in Toronto. It's an amazing co-working space where there's a little cafe that you can hang out. And I just wanted to record this little video about something, a little tactic, a specific thing you can do that I think speaks to a misconception that people have about social media. I think a lot of people think social media is about, what do you... about your tweets, So when people, I just had somebody reach out to me the other day saying, how do I promote this event that's coming up, and what should I be tweeting? I don't know how to use Twitter. And I said, the thing is, it's not about what you tweet, it's about what gets tweeted. Let's say just focusing on Twitter, but the same for all social media or emails. The main thing is not about you focusing on how to make your tweets the most amazing, or your posts or your emails the most amazing. It's how can you get other people to share it? How can you get other people to tweet the same thing? So for example, if you're promoting somebody coming into town, instead of you just posting every day about the event, everyone just kind of gets used to it and like, oh yeah, this event's coming up, and this person keeps posting about it, keeps emailing us, and you're the only voice. Much better is to take the time to create what I call the Hubs database, to think about who are the people who are most well connected and well respected in this scene, and to send them some pre-written stuff that they can email or that they can text. And if you do that, and especially if you include a hashtag for the event, then you're more likely to be able to track it and to see who's actually talking about it. So this is the thing, instead of focusing on you getting the word out there, instead thinking about who's already connected to the people that I'm trying to reach, the people I'd most like to have at my event. Make a list of those people. For the most important ones, for the ones who you think are the heaviest hitters, send them a personal email. The first email just says, hey, have this event coming up, thought you might be interested in it, but also was wondering if you might be able to help spread the word. Here's a quick bit about it. If you're able to or you'd be willing to, let me know and I can send you some pre-written stuff. In that email, you do not include the link to the event. You don't really include many details, just to let them know basically what it is. And then, if they're interested and if they're able to, they'll reply to you. Then you have a second email, and that email is pre-written. That email says, hey, thanks so much, I know you're really busy. Here's the pre-written Facebook post and or tweets or email content, whatever it is. But the goal is not that you post as many times as you can, but you get as many posts from as many different people as possible. Because then what happens is people start to be like, man, I've heard 5 people talk about this event. I've seen 5 different people who I really respect tweet about this event. It must be a great event if everyone who I respect is talking about it. So that's just a quick tactic. Don't focus on what you put out. Focus on getting a lot of stuff put out there from well-respected people. That's my thought for the day.